Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to my channel. It is your baby girl here from Miss Breezy, and you're highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're highly welcome to the channel. Please hit the red button that says subscribe and be part of this lovely family. Okay, so guys, welcome back again to this vlog. Guys, you know I've been saying it that I haven't gone to beach since the summer started. Even last year throughout, I didn't go to beach because of the COVID-19. So today we are finally going to the beach, guys. I'm so excited. I just want to go and take a walk around that place a little bit. Although the beach is not very close to our house, it's like we are going to take bus. There are other beach that is close to our house that we can actually walk to, but I don't want to go to that place. I want to go to the more beautiful place. It's called Magaluf. We are going to Magaluf right now, so I'll get to show you guys around that place a little bit as well, because that place is very beautiful and it's a tourist where tourists normally visit, most especially people from the England people is they are very much in that side, like they come for holidays there. But there's other place where Jamie people go which is Arena, but I will go there some other time. But first of all, we want to be going to Magaluf, which is the Englander people. So we are going there together and I'll take you guys along with us.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got
Magaluf. We just got to Magaluf and we are about to go to the seaside. This place is so beautiful. A lot of hotels here. Ooh, the sun is much. A lot of hotels here, so you can see. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys some view.
it was our time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die, yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die, yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die, yeah. Don't forget your.
So right now we are in Magaluf. We are going to beach. They will say this one never go beach before. I bet leave me. Do you hear this man? He's calling me village girl because I'm saying I'm a bitch, guys. No, seriously, since last year throughout I didn't go to beach, and since the summer started I haven't go to beach. I was even afraid that winter should not even start because I have not go to beach. Last year I remember when I bought my bikini to go to the beach, the next day rain fell, and that was how winter started. Just like that, guys. So why won't I be happy that I'm going to beach today? I should, right? The beach now, we are looking for a place to stay, a better place to stay. So we need to rent a chair to sit down. We are going to be doing that. We are going to rent a chair, like all this kind of shade. Yeah, you see it, all those kind of shade. You need to rent it to sit down. Although we hold towel, shall we? We came with towel. Now if we reach there, now we go see on. We came with towel.
This one or the other one?
Where was the most stay here now?
I want to come back.
Yeah, not fine. Here. Oh, when come. Oh, when. So So guys, see the beautiful beach here. See the beautiful beach. You can see. We want to go and rent that shade so that we can stay there. Guys, I even thought we were going to rent this thing. It's not for rent, it's for free. I didn't know it was free now. I thought it's for rent because our side, in that side, you normally rent this particular shade and the chair.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single.
Guys, I just changed to
Set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
in the beach. So I'm very, very hungry. I want to look for some.
I know it's been a while, haven't talked since July. You've been on my mind, don't hang up. I know it's been some time since I called you mine. You've been on my mind, don't hang up. Maybe I'm a little bit jealous, haven't told my friends we ended it. Yeah, I know that it's wrong. Maybe it's a little bit selfish calling you up when I'm wasted, when I know that you moved on. Is she in
I
your
don't know why
heart?
it's so dark. I think it's dark. The sun is much. So guys, we are about to leave now. We just finished eating and I'm so tired. Like, I just feel like sleeping now. I feel like sleeping. I don't know why it's very dark. So we are about to go and take bus right now. We'll see you guys later when we get home.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, welcome back again. So we just got home from the beach and it's 8 p.m. right now. So guys, I'm going to be ending this video here. Thank you all so much for watching. And you know guys, it's vloggers and I wanted to challenge myself to do this vloggers, which is everyday upload, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to meet up, because I don't want to say I want to start vloggers then later on you not see promise did not post a day, because vloggers is supposed to be everyday upload. Last year I did it, but I was not able to meet up with the everyday upload. So this year I wanted to try myself, but if I can't do it, guys, please support my everyday upload. But if I cannot, still support my upload, because this month, like, I want to be consistent on this channel. Like, no dolly moments, no dolly moments. Guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video to your Facebook, share it to your WhatsApp. Please share my video, share my story video, guys. Please help me share my video. Let me beg, help me share my video, guys, please. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. I love you all. Bye bye.